In the dense, shadowy rainforests of Central Africa, there lives an animal so elusive, so mysterious, that for centuries, just like the unicorn, it was considered a myth. Known as the African unicorn, this rare and beautiful creature remained hidden from the world for generations. It is the Okapi, an animal so unique that it seems to have stepped out of a fantasy, yet it is very real. Join us as we delve into the world of the Okapi, an enigma of the animal kingdom. The Okapi is a living link to the distant past. A relative of the giraffe, it has remained a well-kept secret of the African wilderness. With its long neck, striking zebra-like stripes on its legs, and a sleek, brown coat, it is one of the most unique mammals on Earth. Despite its giraffe lineage, the Okapi stands only about 5 feet tall at the shoulder, blending perfectly into its forest home. For centuries, indigenous peoples of the Congo Basin knew of its existence, calling it the Attic. But it wasn't until 1901 that the Western world officially documented this elusive species. Its secretive nature and remote habitat have made studying the Okapi a rare opportunity for scientists and conservationists. The Okapi's home is the Ituri rainforest in the Democratic Republic of Congo, one of the most biologically diverse yet isolated regions on the planet. Here, the Okapi thrives in solitude, feeding on leaves, grasses, and fruits in the cool shadows of the forest. Its large rotating ears allow it to detect even the faintest sounds of approaching predators, like leopards, and its camouflage helps it vanish into the foliage. Unlike its towering giraffe relatives, the Okapi is built for life in the forest. Its long, flexible tongue, much like a giraffe's, is used not only for eating but also for grooming, an essential task in the humid rainforest, where parasites can pose a constant threat. Despite its elusive nature, the Okapi faces significant challenges. The forests of Central Africa are under constant threat from deforestation, poaching, and mining. These activities have not only fragmented the Okapi's habitat, but have also increased human-wildlife conflict in the region. The Okapi Wildlife Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was established in 1992 to protect this rare species and its habitat. Yet despite these efforts, the Okapi remains endangered, with its population steadily declining due to habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Conservationists work tirelessly to monitor Okapi populations, setting up camera traps and tracking collars to learn more about their movements and behaviors. The goal is to gather crucial data that can help protect these shy, solitary animals from further decline. While the Okapi has always been a part of the local culture, efforts are now underway to involve indigenous communities in its protection. Conservation organizations have partnered with local people to promote sustainable farming, forest management, and anti-poaching efforts. By fostering a sense of ownership and pride in the Okapi, these partnerships are helping to protect not only the species, but also the fragile ecosystems on which both animals and humans depend. The Okapi's biology is as fascinating as its behavior. Its long blue tongue, capable of reaching over 18 inches, is a marvel of adaptation. The tongue allows it to delicately grasp foliage high in the trees, and, like giraffes, the Okapi can even clean its eyes and ears with its tongue. The striking stripes on its legs serve as a form of camouflage, breaking up its outline in the dappled light of the rainforest floor. These stripes also act as visual signals to calves, helping them follow their mothers through the dense forest. Okapis are primarily solitary creatures, except for mothers raising their young. A newborn calf will spend the first several weeks of life hidden away in the underbrush, where it remains silent and still to avoid attracting predators. The Okapi is a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty of the African rainforest. But like so many of Earth's rare creatures, its future is uncertain. The battle to save the Okapi is a race against time. as the pressures of human activity continue to encroach on its natural habitat. Yet there is hope. Conservation efforts are making strides, and with continued support from the global community, there is a chance to preserve the okapi's place in the wild. If we can protect the forests and the delicate balance of life they support, the okapi will continue to grace the shadows of the African rainforest for generations to come. The okapi may be elusive, but its importance to the health of its ecosystem is profound. It is a reminder of the mysteries still hidden within our world, waiting to be discovered and protected. For now, the okapi remains a ghost of the forest, an emblem of nature's delicate balance and the urgent need to preserve it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Your likes and subscriptions are greatly appreciated. Please like and subscribe below.